Hello, today in third lecture of chapter Suggestions for Project Work, you are listening to Dr. Shushma Singh. Let us start with the theme the use of public space. This topic is more about the different uses to which public space such as open field or roadside or footpath, empty plots in the housing colony, space outside the public offices, and the like is put. For example, some spaces support a lot of small scale commercial activity like roadside vendors, small temporary shops, and parking lot, etc. Other spaces seem empty but get used in different way to hold marriage or religious functions, for public meetings, as a dumping ground for various kinds of things. Many spaces are occupied by poor homeless people and become in effect their homes. Try to think of a question in this general area. What do people from different classes, for example, poor, middle class, affluent people, feel about the use of the public space? What kind of a resource do they present for these groups? How has the use of a particular open space in your neighborhood been changing over time? Has it generated any conflict or frictions? What are the reasons for this conflict? Now, our next theme is changing aspirations of different age groups. Did you always have the same ambitions throughout your life? Most people change their goals, especially at young ages. This topic tries to discover what these changes are and whether there be any pattern to the changes across different groups. You could try choosing groups such as different age groups, classes 5, 8, and 11, for example, in different kinds of schools, different genders, different parental background, and see if any pattern emerges. You could also include adults in your design of the project and see what they remember about these sorts of changes and whether there is any pattern to changes after school as compared to changes within the school going age. Our last theme is the biography of a commodity. Think of a particular consumption item in your own home, such as television set, a motorcycle, a carpet, or a piece of furniture. Try to imagine what the life history of that commodity would be. Write about it as though you were not commodity and were writing a autobiography. What are the circuits of exchange through which it has moved to get to where it is now? Can you trace the social relations through which the items was produced, traded, and purchased? What is its symbolic significance for its owner, that is, for you, your family, for the community? If it could think and talk, what would your television set or sofa set or motorcycle have to say about the people It meets or sees like your family or other family or households that you can imagine. Now let us discuss type of methods which can be applied on the themes which we have discussed in the last lecture and in this lecture, and how these methods can be applied. The first is the first topic is modes of public transport, local railway or bus stand, which we have discussed in our last lecture. The type of methods can be observation, survey, archivals, interview, and comment and suggestions. In observation, we can observe modes of behavior, expected etiquettes, and space sharing. In the public transport, we can survey, find out the opinions on changing over the time, experiences, difficulties, etc. In archival method, newspaper and other resources for history of change can be taken out. In interview method, views of regular versus occasional users, men versus women, etc. are. In comment and suggestion section, suitable only for the biggish cities. The second method is second topic is place of means of communication in social life, from mobile phone to satellite TV. The type of methods observation. In observation method, watch how people use mobile phones in public. What place do these devices have in their lives? In survey technique, how much TV do different kind of people watch and what are their preferred programs? In archival method, analyze of media coverage and content on any current issue of interest. And in interview method, we can find what do people feel about the decline of letter writing after the coming of the phones. And in the last comment and suggestion section, try not to prejudge the issue. For example, it is so sad that letter writing has declined. Ask, do not tell. The third area of topic is domestic appliances like use of cooking fuel, mode, phone, cooler, iron, fridge, mixies, etc. In this observation method, we can find patterns of use, domestic division of labor, gender aspects, etc. In survey method, attitude, memories relating to different type of appliances. In archival method, advertisement pattern for different kinds of appliances. And in interview method, how do different type of people respond to specific appliances. And in the last comment and suggestion technique, boys to be encouraged to do this should not become a girl's topic. The fourth one is topic of area is use of public spaces like roadsides, empty land, etc. In this observation technique, we can observe how comparable open space are used in different localities. In survey method, opinions of a cross section of people on different uses of specific public space. In archival method, What were the different uses to which a particular space was put over the years? And in interview method, do people of different social classes groups have different views on the use of the space? And in the last comment and suggestion sections, best to take familiar specific places that people know about and relate to. The fifth area of the topic is changing aspirations of school children at different ages. For example, classes 5th, 8th, and 11th. In this case, observation method is not suitable. Survey method can be taken out. Boys and girls, adults of different generations, from the memories we can survey. And in archival method, it depends on the availability of the material from the past, such as school essays on the subject. And in interview method, talking to one group about their own evolution or talking to different age groups can be done. And in the last comments and suggestion sector, interviewees should not be from the own school. So we have discussed 5 topics in this conversations. With this we wind up our chapter. Thank you for listening.